So guys, I finally did it. I filmed my first ballet video. So excited! Here is to a new era. Hey guys, it's Zoe and welcome back to my channel. Just to let you know, the first half of this video will be a voiceover. So for today's lessons, we will be going over our basic positions and tendu. In class, the four main positions that are used are first, second, fourth, and fifth positions. So starting in first position, our feet are in a V shaped, and if you touch your belly button and pull your arms straight out, those are your first position arms. To transition to our next position, we have a tendu. So the tendu is simply brushing that foot against the floor and stretching it into that point form to get to the next position, which is second position, and basically an open first. So space in between your feet and your arms open to the side. Our next position is fourth position. So this position, both feet are faced outward, so your toes are pointing outward. That back toe is right behind that front heel, so your feet are aligned, and for this sequence, we will keep our arms in second position. We want to make sure that we're not twisting to the side. It's easy to open your hips, but let's make sure that we're keeping our chest and hips forward. Also keeping in mind to make sure our toes and our knees are pointed outward. I know some of my students sometimes go to this position with your feet turned in, but let's remember, toes outward always. Last, we have fifth position, which is simply closing that space in between the feet and fourth. So shift your weight to that back foot, pull that tendu in nice and tight to the front. Taking that same position and closing that gap in between. Really work through your hips to maintain that turnout. Our fifth position arms are rounded and above our head but slightly forward. So let's try a sequence. Let's start in first position. We breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm goes to second. We tendu. 1 and second. Tendu, carry fourth, arm stays second. We tendu, close fifth, arm goes up to fifth position. We tendu side, arm goes to first, we close first. Then we repeat. So here we go, let's try it, and then we'll do it with music. Tendu, to second, and tendu, carry fourth, tendu, close fifth, tendu, close first, and out, to second, and out, to fourth, and out, close fifth, and out, close first. I hope that felt good. Let's make sure that we're really pulling those feet in, especially in fourth and fifth. Make sure we're keeping that turnout. And in the first and second, make sure we're keeping that straight line all the way down. Make sure we're not rolling forward in our heels, but we're staying back on that pinky toe so that we don't roll forward, okay? So that's all for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video of learning the positions with me, and I cannot wait to do ballet with you again. Make sure you practice. Bye, guys.